Lower it slowly, right over the center. Check the tension on those lines. Check the tension on those lines.
Clear the area, she's coming up.
Touchdown, right on the mark. Touchdown, right on the mark.
Cables are clear, take it up. Moving into the washing station now.
Boost the pressure, there is a lot of mud on this one.
The brushes are hitting the deep grooves well. Looking much cleaner, almost ready for debarking. Entry complete, starting the rotation now.
The rollers have a solid grip. Engage the blades.
Blades are sharp, the bark is coming off clean.
Look at that clearing. The waste management is working perfectly.
Just a few more rotations to get the final layer.
Clean as a whistle, move it to the inspection line.
The grain is already showing through the surface. I'm picking up a slight fissure near the top end.
We will need to trim this section before the first slice.
The internal moisture is still high, but manageable for the first cut.
Follow this vector to maximize the grain yield.
Watch the vibration. Keep the feed rate steady.
That end check is gone, the core looks solid. That end check is gone, the core looks solid.
Trim 10 centimeters off the tail end too.
Final length is exactly 5 meters. Clamps engaged, alignment is perfect. Clamps engaged, alignment is perfect.
Start the first part for the outer slab.
First slab is coming off now. First slab is clear, resetting the log position.
Shifting for a 10 centimeter thickness now.
The blade is moving perfectly through the hardwood. It is exactly 10 centimeters, consistent all the way down.
Keeping the feed speed constant for the next one.
The conveyor is clear, keep them coming.
We are reaching the most valuable part of the timber now.
hold the feet. I want a feet. I want a closer look at this grain pattern.
Help me tilt this up so we can see the light on it. The grain density in this core is exceptional.
This is a premium grade slab market for the furniture collection.
Wait, this one has a stress crack running through the center.
Rejected. This won't survive the kiln drying.
Keep the premium stack separated from the utility wood.
Align the edges precisely. We need them balanced for transport.
These two will make a beautiful tabletop.
Take the premium stack to the drying area. Stack them high, but keep the weight centered.
Airflow is key to preventing the wood from warping.
This bundle is ready for the heat.
Watch the overhead clearance near the kiln door.
Chamber is clear. Bring the rosewood in. Sealing the chamber, starting the cycle now.
The internal temperature is rising steadily. The wood is starting to sweat out the deep moisture. The internal moisture is down to 15%.
Cycle complete. The wood looks perfectly seasoned.
Backing out, keep the path clear. Backing out, keep the path clear.
Leveling the first side, keep the feet steady. The blades are biting clean, no tear out on the grain. The blades are biting clean, no tear out on the grain.
First pass is done, turning it over for the second side.
Matching the thickness on both sides now. What do you think? Oh.
It remains exactly 10 centimeters thick, perfect calibration.
These are ready for the sanding station.
Sanding pass beginning, checking the grit level.
The belt is removing the planer marks perfectly. The belt is removing the planer marks perfectly.
One more pass to finish the underside.
Dust extraction is at full capacity, keeping the air clear.
It feels like silk. The rosewood is truly shining now.
Clearing out the last of the dust before the final stamp.
The edges are sharp and clean. No further trimming needed. Length is confirmed, matching the order specifications.
Thickness is perfect. Stamping it for export now. Approved for shipment. Mark the product code next.
Code registered. This piece is tracked to the original Rosewood log.
6 premium slabs in this bundle, exactly as ordered.
Keep the moisture out so the grain stays stable during transit.
Tension is set. This bundle isn't moving an inch.
That's the last of the Rosewood shipment.
Container is clean and dry. Proceed with loading.
Position looks good. Seal the doors.
Safe travels, that's another job well done.
Back it up just a bit more, right there. Back it up just a bit more, right there. Lines are tight, let's get it off the trailer.
Pressure is holding, drains are clear.
The bristles are still firm enough for the heavy bark.
Meter is calibrated, ready for the first reading.
This log has a very thick bark layer.
Airflow is back to normal. Fans are operational. Log is secure. Clear the yard for the next one.
Pressure is rising. The cleaning has begun.
There is a lot of debris hidden in this bark.
The stones are coming loose now.
Rollers are locked, initiating bark removal. Rollers are locked, initiating bark removal.
The blades are biting deep. It's working efficiently.
Excellent. Maintain this pace. Let's see what this log is hiding.
The diameter is 80 centimeters at the base.
Moisture is consistent. We can start the trim.
Beginning the end cut now! Beginning the end cut now.
The rosewood is finally here. พี่วันลบไปครับ
Check the cable tension on your side.
Easy on the hoist. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the gantry. Easy now. Keep it centered on the rollers.
Check the moisture levels on that batch.
Logging the data now, Arun.
The density looks good.
The Rosewood shipment is finally ready for the hoist. Slowly now, let the rollers take the weight.
Clamps are locked. Proceed with the first slice.
Keep it steady until we clear the flatbed.
Boosting pressure to clear the remaining mud.
The planer blades need sharpening before we start.
That's the last of the order.
Takre, Arun. Good work today, Arun.
That's the last of the order.
Good work today, Arun.